Hey everybody, what is happening? Thanks for checking out Hunt, Shoot, Live. Today we're quarantined. Of course, quarantine in my part of Virginia means that you just get to play outside and do the same stuff that you normally do. So I'm sorry to all of you guys who are out there and you're stuck indoors. Maybe this video that I'm about to make can contribute to you having a little bit more enjoyment maybe. I've got, you can see it's really foggy here today, but I can still see far enough to shoot some pistol, man. So I've got the old Glock 34 out. I've got some silhouette targets set out behind me at 7 yards, 15 yards, and 25 yards. I'm just going to do an IDPA drill. I'm going to do 3, 3, 3. I've got a shot timer. See how fast I can do it? It's just rainy day, stuck at home practice.
Alright, 3 hits. 3 hits. This is, these are smaller than IDPA, so, and it's kind of one outside. And,
5.83. Not certain why it says 5.83 because it's got 13 at 5.83. I only took 9 shots, so guess that's what happens when you don't pay $150 for a shot timer and you try to use your iPhone instead. But either way, I had all hits. Not great hits, but like I said, I'm using smaller. These are smaller than IDPA. I don't have any IDPA targets, but let's try that again. Only got 2 off on my last target. Shows you how good my math skills are. Saying 5.73. But I took 1 less shot than I did last time. There should be 17 total shots in the targets.
should have 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Should be a total of 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Good. And we should have 5 here because I only had 17 total rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm all on paper. As you guys can see, this is not a standard IDPA target. This is smaller. And this is at my 25-yard range. I'm pulling to the right.
Not bad. I'll take that. I've got all hits. I'm on paper. Again, these are smaller than IDPA targets. It's not a full-size IDPA target, so hey, I think I'm doing all right. Less than 6 seconds to get off 9 shots. That's okay for me. Now, some of you guys, it's not going to be. Some of you guys are pros, but I'll take that. It's fun too. So I guess this time what I'm going to do, I'm going to engage the head. Now the head on this, because these targets are very small, so it's going to be really small head, but I'm going to try just, let's go for 1 shot. One head shot on each target. Alright, that was 1 headshot on each target. Let's see how I did. That's 5 yards, 15 yards, 25 yards. And here's my time. 3 headshots, 5 yards, 15 yards, 25 yards at 3.42.
Alright, we got this dude. See, that shows you how small that is. Very small. Very small. I pulled that one. And I drilled this guy. That's freaking awesome, man. Take that for sure.
Well, that was super fun. I got 2 hits technically in the black, but the one I just pulled to the side, and that's pretty cool. I'm gonna run that again. So 3.42. 3.42 is the time to beat. 1 headshot, 7, 15, 25 yards. Ooh, if I had hits, we'll see. 3.33 this time. So we'll see.
Yeah, alright, we got a hit here. 7 yards. Yeah, I cut his ear off that time. 15 yards. And that's a newbie. That's a new one. So technically I missed on this one. Shot his shoulder.
But I'm going to go back and do the body drill. 3 shots to the body. 7 yards, 15 yards, 25 yards. My time to beat is 583. I got to beat 583. Alright, so we got enough rounds to do 3 shots to the body on each one of these targets. So I'm going to go back for that. I'm trying to beat 583 for time. Ooh, I was all over on that last one. All over the place. I was trying to go fast. Let's see what I had time-wise. Oh, I smoked it. I smoked my time. 4:37, but I don't know about my hits.
Alright, so new ones. 1, 2, 3. So I'm good on that as far as on paper. Good on that one, let's see. That's a new one. Alright, so we got all hits there. Here's where it went all to crap. Well, looks like I got 2. 1, 2. I threw the other one. That one's got a mark on it, so that one's already there.
Hey, I guess that's not too shabby. I only missed my last shot on the 25-yard target, so give myself a little bit of a penalty there, but 4.37 with 1 miss on the furthest target. That's all right. Well, I'm gonna do the headshot again, and last time because that was fun. So I'm gonna do the headshot, and we will do the headshot, and we'll change up the game a little bit. So same as last time. Just 1 headshot each target for time. My time to beat on the headshot game, 3.33 is the time to beat on the headshot game. So here we go. Oh, that was trash. That felt terrible. Felt terrible. 3.07. We'll see if I hit anything. Well, I didn't have any outright misses, but I definitely didn't have any connections in the black on the head. Of course, you know, again, it's that size, and I hit close. But just try and have fun, and that's exactly what I'm doing. All right, I have switched my targets up, my positioning just a little bit. I've only got 2 targets out, and I'm at 15 yards and 20 yards. What I'm going to do this time, of course, I'm going for time again. What I'm going to do this time is I'm going to do 2 shots to the body at 15, 2 shots to the body at 20, headshot at 15, headshot at 20. 5.19. 5.19. These were fresh targets, so let's see what we got. Shouldn't have any holes. Shouldn't have any other holes other than these. Fresh targets.
All right, yeah. 2 body hits. That's good. and I shot his ear off on my headshot. Alright, over here, same story, pulling right. I'm pulling right every time. And then I missed my headshot. Pulled way right.
So if I ain't touching the black, I'm not going to count it. So I made all my shots except for my headshot on the 20-yard target. So 5.19 plus a 1-shot penalty on that since I'm not touching black. So let's see if I can improve that either on hits or on time this time. .32. So I was just a fuzz slower that time, but let's see if I was a little bit more accurate.
Yeah, that was a good one. Good one. Oh, that's good. Man, that was a good one there. I'll take that every time, baby. And then let's see what we got back here. Caught his ear. I'll give myself credit for the headshot. It's the ear. But I keep pulling. I'm a right puller, baby. Makes sense though, I'm right-handed. So, again, I mean that's in the outer edge, but it's a hit. That's a miss. I missed my dang body shot.
Well, technically, I had all hits except my last body shot, or one of my body shots on my furthest target. I had the head that time. I clipped the black, and I was a little slower. Yeah, I was a little slower, 5.32 compared to 5.19. So I don't know. I'm still keeping it in there close. Well, let's try that drill one more time because that's pretty fun. 2 to the body at 15 and 20 yards. Headshot at 15, headshot at 20. Run this drill one more time. I pulled really bad on my first headshot, and that felt slow. 5.48. That's my slowest time yet. Let's see how I did with hits, though.
Alright. These two are the new ones, so I shot a little low on my body shots. That was already there. I can see my marks. Just making some better ones. That was a miss earlier. Man, that's not... No, it wasn't. Gosh, that was my headshot. Jeez, what a pull. That's terrible. Which that's the one I thought I pulled. Now here's this one. My body shots were off. There's my body shots. Those are off. But then right here's my headshot. 20 yards. So I clipped his head at 20 and I missed him at 15. Gosh, I am consistently pulling right.
Even though that's fun, I suck at it. But it's still fun. I'm pulling right. I'm pulling right a lot when I'm trying to hurry like this. But gosh, that's fun. Just shooting and trying to shoot fast. That's so enjoyable. So let's try something different this time. Right, so this time I moved again. This is going to be the last drill I'm doing today because it's raining a little bit harder now. But I'm at I've got a 10-yarder and a 15-yarder set up. Honestly, it's more like 7 yards and 13 yards or something weird like that. But what I'm going to do the 2 to the body, 1 to the head, 2 to the body, 1 to the head. So 6 total shots, 3 shots each, only swapping targets once. Body, body, head at the 7-yard to 13-yard. These are fresh targets. I'll just put these back out. So, all right, let's roll. Well, that felt good. 4.36. 4.36. 6 total shots. Let's go see how I did.
Good. Good, man. Okay. And the 14 yarder, 13 yarder, whatever it is. Now, those are great. Really good. But I pulled my headshot.
One miss. I pulled my headshot on my 13-yard target. So one miss with 4.36. Let's try again. Let's see what I can do. 2 to the body, 1 to the head. Now that felt better as far as my headshot on the last one, but I don't know about the rest of it. I did feel pretty smooth. 4.95. It's a little slower. Let's see how I did.
Alright, previous shot. That's a new one. That's a new one. And then there's my headshot. Awesome. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, heck yeah. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I'm keeping a good group on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heck yeah. And I got my headshot that time. So that's all hits.
Alright, last round. I took some duct tape over and covered up those 3 holes on the 13-yard target because I had an awesome little group going on there, and I gotta get it this time. I had all hits, 4.95. So gotta beat 4.95 this time. Last hurrah though, it's raining more. I don't know. It felt good. 4.27. It was definitely faster, way faster. So let's see though. Let's see what we got.
Did I get my head? Got my headshot. All right, that's a good one. And then there's my 2 new shots. Right there. So those are good. I improved. It's good. And yes! Yes! Alright.
Well, I'll take that. I finished with all hits and a better time. So 4.27. I'll take it. Prayers with everybody right now for our whole world, for our country. While everybody's stuck inside, I hope this was. Hope you guys enjoyed this. A little bit of something to watch. I had fun. I hope you have fun watching it. Whenever you get to shoot again and having a good time with your loved ones while you're shooting, remember that guns are they're machines. They're not toys. Please be careful. Please be very, very careful and respect the machine. But if you respect the machine, you can have a good time. Subscribe if you haven't. New videos every single Friday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Would love to have you as a regular part of the Hunt, Shoot, Live team. As always, thanks for checking us out. God bless. We'll see you next time.